Howdy gang, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'll be trying out some vintage recipes, 3 vintage recipes to be exact. And they come from this 1958 Good Housekeeping Appetizer Book. Grab some friends, they're gonna love these appetizers. The first one I'm gonna try is called an Avocado Crunchy. Let's get crunching. I'm gonna chop up a couple of these gorgeous avocados. I'm gonna roll it in a little lemon juice and some French dressing. Next, you need to crush some potato chips like so. And this divine looking avocado will get rolled in those chips and placed on a plate for serving. You will for sure be the talk of the town with this fabulous appetizer. Suggested on a toothpick. Crunchy! Are you ready to keep your guests smiling? Well, you can't go wrong with this next recipe. It's only 2 ingredients. Half a cup of peanut butter and half a cup of ketchup. This ain't no lie. It's a real recipe. Just mix it up. And it says to serve with tortilla chips or corn chips. Yes. Tastes just like it sounds. Your friends will be shouting, more, more. And now it's time to serve them more with our final recipe. And guess what the name of it is? Blue balls. That's true. It's blue balls. Let's make it now. Grab a blender. We're gonna be mincing a stalk of celery and a piece of onion. Add a block of cream cheese, softened. A couple ounces of blue cheese. Sprinkle of cayenne pepper. A little hot pepper sauce. Tablespoon of mayonnaise. Blend it. I took some pretzels and I crushed them. I'm gonna put spoonfuls of that mix into the pretzel crumbs. Put on a plate. Allow them to harden in the fridge until ready to serve. I could not be more excited for blue balls. Serve with a pretzel stick. They are actually really delicious. This was the best of the bunch, and your guests really will love these. Thank you so much for joining me in celebrating appetizers in this thrilling cookbook. Hope to see you next time. What are dog biscuits made from? Cauliflower.